May the divine in me touch the divine in you. हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का आज के हमारी बेहद इंटरेस्टिंग रीडिंग में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जैसे कि आपने टाइटल में पढ़ लिया है, आज हम बात करेंगे कि हाउ विल योर नेक्स्ट मीटिंग बी विथ योर पर्सन। वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस। ये मेरे लिस्ट में कुछ टाइम से था और मुझे काफ़ी कमेंट्स भी आए थे कि मैं इस पर ही रीडिंग करूँ, एंड हियर आई एम फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। कि आप जब भी अपने पर्सन से मिलेंगे तो आपकी मीटिंग कैसी होगी, क्या होगा आपकी नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में, एंड व्हाट आर द मैसेजेस फॉर यू। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ लव रीडिंग। और जिस भी पर्सन से आप बहुत प्यार करते हैं या जो आपके माइंड में है, द पर्सन ऑन योर माइंड, आई वॉन्ट यू टू थिंक अबाउट दैम। इस रीडिंग में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि स्पेसिफिकली आप उसी पर्सन के बारे में सोचें और फिर कोई पाइल सेलेक्ट करें। ओके, सो यू कैन क्लोज योर आइज, रिलैक्स, लेट गो ऑफ द आउटसाइड डिस्ट्रक्शन, और 3 बार मैं चाहती हूँ उस पर्सन का नाम अपने मन में आपको लेना है, कनेक्टिंग टू योर थर्ड आई। और फिर ये कार्ड्स की जो पिक्चर है मैं आपको आपके सामने दिखाऊंगी स्क्रीन पर, और फिर जो कार्ड की इमेज या जो भी एनर्जी आपको अपनी तरफ खींच रही है उस फाइल में आपके लिए ज़रूर एक मैसेज होगा। सो दिस रीडिंग्स आर अ मिक्स ऑफ माई इंट्यूशन एंड योर इंट्यूशन। सो उन्हीं मैसेजेस को लीजिएगा जो मैसेजेस आपसे रेजोनेट करते हैं आपकी स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन के लिए। Okay, that being said, let's get started with today's reading. And before starting, let me tell you, अगर आप किसी भी situation में love, career, spirituality, health, any type of guidance अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं, personal reading आप लेना चाहते हैं मुझसे, तो उसके सारे details मैंने description box में दिए हैं। आप directly वहाँ पर जाकर अपनी service select करके मुझसे directly connect कर सकते हैं। So let's get started with today's video. हेलो पाइल नंबर 1, वेलकम टू योर रीडिंग। अगर आपने ये पाइल सेलेक्ट की है, वेरी पैशनेट एनर्जी, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर रीडिंग कि आपकी नेक्स्ट मीटिंग अपने पर्सन के साथ कैसी होगी, क्या मैसेजेस है। सो बिफोर ट्यूनिंग इनटू द कार्ड, आई वुड लाइक टू सी विद द टैरो। ओके, so we will pull out some cards and then we will dive deep into your next meeting with your person. Immediately I'm sensing strong energies for this pile. Back of the deck we have 2 of Pentacles. Let us see tarot cards में हमारे पास क्या है. We have the 2 of Wands. Okay, you could be in a long distance connection, 6 of Pentacles, or there could be travel involved. ठीक है. Then we have the 7 of Cups. Okay, then we have the Queen of Cups. Beautiful. Then we have, okay, we also have the Hierophant, 2 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, how will your next meeting be with your person? What else? इसमें से हम कार्ड्स निकालेंगे for pile number 1. How will their next meeting be with that person? Okay, pile number 1, I'm sensing this strong message that could be a possibility कि आप अपने पर्सन के साथ में थोड़ा सा सेपरेशन में हो इस टाइम पे, या आई फील वन पर्सन इज नॉट ओपनिंग अप। ठीक है, आई फील इस रिलेशनशिप में एक पर्सन है जो पूरी तरह ओपन है या पूरी तरह प्यार एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं, बट आई फील द अदर पर्सन इज समहाउ जगलिंग एंड नॉट ओपनिंग देयर हार्ट आउट, नॉट ओपनिंग देयर हार्ट टू दिस कनेक्शन। मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि दिस पर्सन इज हैविंग एंड होल्डिंग दिस होप कि ये चीज़ें वर्कआउट हो जाए आपके साथ में इस कनेक्शन में। द नेक्स्ट टाइम दैट यू मीट, आई एम सेंसिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एनर्जी दैट यू आर गोइंग टू रियलाइज एंड रिकॉग्नाइज दैट यू हैव दिस पैशन, बट समहाउ दिस इज गिविंग मी द एनर्जी पाइल नंबर 1 आप लोगों के लिए, दैट यू हैव आउटग्रोन समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस कनेक्शन। ठीक है पाइल 1, मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट समहाउ यू रियली फील कि आप अब इन सारे इमोशंस से, इन सारे अप्स एंड डाउन से ऊपर आ चुके हो, और आपको कहीं ना कहीं पर एक स्टेबिलिटी, एक संतुष्टि और एक सेटिस्फैक्शन अपने कनेक्शन में चाहिए। हो सकता है विद दिस पर्सन इट फील्स लाइक अ स्पार्क, इट फील्स वेरी मैग्नेटिक, it feels like just very strong sexual energy, but somehow I'm sensing a strong energy with the detachment and the shadow side and the hope दैट समहाउ ये जो पर्सन है वो आपके बारे में ये सोच रहे हैं दैट यू नो दे आर रियली फीलिंग दैट यू डोंट गिव अप ऑन दिस कनेक्शन, या आप इस कनेक्शन पे गिव अप ना करें, बिकॉज आई फील देयर फियर्स और उनकी जो शैडो साइड है वो इस रिलेशनशिप में ट्रिगर हुई होगी इन द पास्ट, एंड आई फील लाइक वन पर्सन हैज डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ स्टेप बैक एंड हील. फोर ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, टू ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, पाइल नंबर वन, आई एम सेंसिंग दैट इन लव कुड बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि आप इस पर्सन को पूरी तरह दिखाना नहीं चाहते हो कि आपके मन में क्या है. So the next time that you meet this person will see you in a very different light. This person will think that you are elevated, that you know you have outgrown them in a way, that you are detached and you have overcome your negativity, you have overcome your shadow side. I feel that ये person, I haven't given up on us yet with the hope card. I feel ये person कहीं ना कहीं emotionally बहुत hopeful है अपने मन में कि आपके बीच में जो भी conflicts है वो resolve हो जाए, चीज़ें clear हो जाए. But I feel somehow you are in this detached and self realized state जहाँ पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है that you know you're very happy on your own with the Queen of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and you don't want to give your heart so easily like that. ठीक है, it's like अगर आप चाहते हो कि यू नो सामने वाला पर्सन आपके पास आए, आपके करीब आए, सो यू डोंट वांट विद द फोर ऑफ पेंटिकल्स दैट यू नो easily to give your heart or to give yourself easily to this person. So next meeting में जो भी आपकी होगी, I feel like this is going to be that energy where this person will feel that you know is everything over, क्या है आगे, and this person will see you in a very balanced and a very divine light. We have missed opportunity, we have I didn't act when I should have. So इस person को बहुत strong realizations होंगे when the next time that you meet, and they're going to realize that you know the power that you hold in their life. Ace of Swords, उनको बहुत strong realizations होने वाले. They will see you in a very different light. Okay. वी हैव पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स. अगर उन्होंने पास्ट में कोई गलतियां की हैं या आपको अकेला छोड़ा है या आपको यू नो दुख दिया है किसी भी सिचुएशन में, आई फील लाइक दिस पर्सन विल सी दैट यू नो यू हैव आउटग्रोन. इट्स नॉट दैट आप लव के लिए बंद हो चुके हैं, इट्स जस्ट दैट यू नो यू हैव आउटग्रोन सम सिचुएशंस, सम रिलेशनशिप डायनामिक, एंड आपके लाइफ में यू नो इवन विद दिस पैशन, दिस मैग्नेटिक एनर्जी, दिस कनेक्शन, यू आर स्टिल हियर फॉर जेन्युइन एफर्ट्स एंड यू आर स्टिल हियर फॉर जेन्युइन लव, एंड आप वही चाहते. पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, दिस पर्सन विल डू something for you, could gift you something, कुछ आपके लिए definitely करेंगे, and this person is wanting another chance with you. So next meeting में आपको definitely ये feel होगा that this person is wanting another chance with you, because without you they have felt that everything is over with the Ten of Swords. हो सकता है कुछ आपके relationship में ऐसा हुआ हो that you feel that everything is over with this person, but somehow you know ये person अपने ही मन में इन चीज़ों को सोच रहे हैं और hope बना रहे, जबकि could be रियलिटी की चीज़ें अब ख़त्म हो चुकी हैं, या इन अ वे यू नो यू आर नॉट रेडी टू एंगेज इन दिस एनर्जी एनी मोर, बट समहाउ दिस पर्सन इज जस्ट होपिंग थिंग्स इन देयर इमेजिनेशन दैट यू नो चीज़ें ठीक होगी, और मे बी दे विल स्पीक सम सॉफ्ट वर्ड्स विथ यू, दे विल वॉन्ट टू यू नो दे विल वॉन्ट योर फॉरगिवनेस विद द पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, एंड विद द फाइव ऑफ पेंटिकल्स मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट यू नो यू आर वॉकिंग अवे फ्रॉम द पेनफुल पास्ट. Somehow मुझे बहुत strong ऐसा message लग रहा है. So the next time that you meet, I think this person is going to see you in a very different light, and somehow let's see the outcome of this connection. Let's see, Spirit, what is the outcome of this relationship? We have the King of Wands. Back of the deck we have the Three of Swords. We have the Hierophant twice. I feel this person will keep trying, but somehow you know your heart is closed. Okay. Oh my God, ये word, you know, ये card अपने आप यहाँ पर आया आप लोगों के लिए. We have unspoken. There is so much I want to say to you, but I find it difficult to put my feelings into words. Just know that you are very important to me. The depth of my love for you is beyond word. There is so much unspoken between us, which I will soon reveal to you. So this is the message from your person. यहाँ पर masculine energy, I feel that you know is realizing your worth, is realizing the divine feminine's power, and they are really feeling that उनको बहुत कुछ efforts आपके लिए करने चाहिए थे, and they are still hopeful that you know they have not given up on you. And I feel with the Three of Swords and the Five of Cups, this person is really feeling very sad and they are feeling a lot of regrets towards this whole situation. King of Wands से मुझे ऐसा लगता है that this person will try everything to impress you and to you know gain your attention, but अंदर कहीं ना कहीं they are feeling very sad, very disturbed, very वेरी डिसहार्टेंड एंड बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं उनके मन में जो वो बयां नहीं कर पा रहे. जैसे रीडिंग के स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने बोला that there is one person in this connection who is not revealing their true self, who is not revealing their true identity, right? And this is what I'm feeling. So the next time you meet, you're going to see that this person is going to take a lot of efforts towards you, especially physically. ठीक है, they will want to come close to you and वो बताएंगे, वो जाहिर करेंगे कि why they did not acted the way they they should have acted, why they did this and why they had to be distant from you. तो वो ये सारी चीज़ें आपको बताएंगे, but I feel like you will be in a very different energy, and I feel like with the detachment and the shadow side, you made me realize my flaws. तो आप इस person को एक strong spiritual lesson दे रहे हो, and this person is in deep regret and is realizing a lot of things जो उनको नहीं करनी चाहिए थी in the past. ओके, लेट अस सी कि ये पर्सन अगर आपको बोलना चाहे तो व्हाट इज द कन्फेशन, व्हाट इज इट दैट दे वुड वांट टू से टू यू. File number one, the person's message. I was thinking of you last night, so this person is thinking about you. I don't want to hide this love. I feel like you have moved on from me. मैंने बोला ना आपको, this person will sense your detachment. This person will see, even though we are not together, I just can't see myself letting you go. So this person will really feel my heart aches for you. I was thinking of you last night. This person I told you cannot let you go. They are realizing all of their mistakes जो भी उन्होंने किए, and they want to mend everything. My heart aches for you. We can see that in the Three of Swords and Five of Cups. I didn't act when I should have, and this person is realizing that they want to act, they want to say so much to you. I don't want to hide this love. This person is saying अब मुझे और छिपना नहीं, अब मुझे और इस प्यार को छिपाना नहीं. I want to come out and show you and express to you, because तुम्हारे बिना मैं बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं हूँ. Without you I am not happy. Without you I don't want to live. And with the Page of Pentacles, this person is wanting another serious chance and is coming towards you with a serious offer and commitment. Okay, but I feel there are still some issues जो इस person को अपने end पर solve करने हैं before they come towards you. Okay, loving message. So Spirit, anything else that you want to say or the message that you want to give to pile number ones? I talk to you a lot in my head, and back of the deck we have I know you're the one for me. So this person is, I'm scared of losing you. So this person is genuinely feeling the strong message that वो आपसे मनी मन बात करते हैं, especially unspoken, because this person is not able to get you out of their mind. वो juggle कर रहे हैं words के बीच में, चीज़ों के बीच में, ऐसा वैसा. But this person wants to take strong action towards you with the King of Wands. They will come very confidently, but deep down they have missed you like anything. Pile number one, this person has really missed you. This person really loves you, and more than that, I'm sensing that this person will realize their mistake and would want to come towards you to mend things, because I feel that somehow they're thinking a lot about you, they're fantasizing a lot about you, and they are replaying a lot of conversations जो आप दोनों के बीच में हुई है. I feel physical distance is something that is creating a lot of problems in this connection, but I feel this person will reveal a lot to you in the next meeting, and वो बहुत सारे efforts के साथ आपके पास आएंगे, because they will really realize a lot of things जो पहले आप चाहते थे कि वो realize करें. And आपके बिना this person is really feeling lost, sad, disheartened. This person wants to take action towards you, wants to gift you something with the Page of Pentacles, wants to do something for you. Right? So this is everything that you will experience, and with the Hierophant, this person sees the spiritual lesson in this connection now. Okay, and I feel this person will come towards you and let love change you forever. Go with it, leave the past behind. So angels ka message hai, let love change you, leave the past behind. And I think this person will come to that realization. Beautiful energy, pile number one. So this is everything that I'm having for you. Thank you so very much for connecting. Definitely इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, मुझे ज़रूर बताइए वीडियो आपसे किस प्रकार रेजोनेट हो रही है. I am sending you all lots of love and lots of light. Take care. Bye. Hello, pile number twos. Welcome to your reading. So let us see that what is the message for you, what will happen the next time you meet your person. So आपने ये बहुत खूबसूरत कार्ड चुना है, which is trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. So pile number 2 is, I feel like आपके relationship में there have been some ups and downs and you really feel that you want to be close to this person. बहुत strong message मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे आप चाहते हैं आप इस person को करीब लें अपने और उनको अपनी बाहों में लें, उनके करीब आएँ, and you really tell them and a lot of things and clear a lot of misunderstandings, because I feel like you're longing for this person. And angels की तरफ से आपके लिए मैसेज है, ट्रस्ट करें आपके लव सिचुएशन पर. right now it is very important to trust whatever is happening in your connection, pile number 2, because trust occurs through acceptance, transformation occurs through acceptance. जब हम किसी सिचुएशन को, जो करंट रियलिटी है, जो करंट सिचुएशन को जो जैसी है, जब हम उसे वैसा एक्सेप्ट करते हैं तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है. द मोमेंट यू एक्सेप्ट समथिंग, रेजिस्टेंस फॉल्स, एंड व्हेन द रेजिस्टेंस फॉल्स द यूनिवर्स हैज अ वे टू वर्क इट्स मिरेकल. सो यही मैसेज फाइल नंबर 2 आप लोगों के लिए है, दैट ट्रस्ट योर पर्सन, trust what is happening, trust the transformation that is happening right now. Okay, let us see what will happen the next time you meet your person for pile number 2's next meeting. How will your next meeting be for pile number 2's? What will happen? Pile number 2's, what will happen next time you meet your person? I think this person is really missing you. There is a lot of love in this connection. love this. फाइव ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, जैसे मैंने बताया कि 8 ऑफ कप्स, कुछ मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स हुई हैं, कुछ नेगेटिविटी हुई है, कुछ अप्स एंड डाउन्स हुए हैं, कुछ मेंटल बैटल हुआ है जिसकी वजह से यू फील लाइक you're doubting this, or there is a lot of resistance that is coming, right? We have the 2 of swords, you could be in no contact. We have the 3 of cups. Okay, there could also be some third party interference, some outside interference in your connection, pile number 2. मुझे बहुत strongly ऐसा लग रहा है that there is some outside interference जिसकी वजह से आपके relationship में conflicts हो रहे हैं. So there is outside negativity, outside interference which is causing some troubles and some problems in your connection. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है 2 of swords say that the next time that you meet, I feel this relationship या इस person के साथ में this person will be very clear that this person only wants you. अगर कोई भी third energy, third entity, I said energy twice, so third energy, third entity या third negativity कोई भी ऐसी थी आप दोनों के relationship में जो आपको दूर कर रही थी या एक दूसरे के प्रति misunderstandings create हो रही थी आपके अंदर, कोई लोग हो सकते हैं, literal third party energy हो सकती है, past person हो सकता है, कोई competition हो सकता है, something in love triangle, anything, whatever it is, आपकी situation से जो भी resonate हो रहा है, I feel the next time that you meet this person will make things very clear with you and they will be very sure that they want to perceive you. ठीक है, we have the chariot and the magician. बहुत strong इस relationship में transformation होने वाला है, very very strong. We have the magician and the chariot with a trust. So angels and universe is going to work its magic in this connection. Pile number 2 is very very strongly, this connection is meant to be. We have the 10 of cups, this person is the one for you and you feel lot of love, you feel कि इस person के साथ you feel complete, you want to just hug them, आप बस उनके करीब रहना चाहते हो, you don't want to let them go, you don't want them to get distant from you. और आप बहुत strongly realize करेंगे कि there are some third energies, third interferences जो कहीं ना कहीं इस relationship में conflicts create कर रहे हैं, misunderstandings create कर रहे हैं, outside energies हो सकती है, past energies हो सकती है, whatever it is, but this person will decide to literally cut it off and disconnect from everything that is negative जो इस relationship के लिए ठीक नहीं है. And with the chariot and the magician, there is going to be a strong energy that this person will move. I am hearing move big obstacles for you. I was about to say move mountains for you, because chariot और magician वही energy होती है कि आपके साथ रहने के लिए या आपके पास आने के लिए this person will make some strong decision and literally move the obstacle, literally turn the rock upside down to be with you. Because 10 of cups के साथ में this person will realize in the next meeting या आपके पास आने के लिए that you are his or her everything. 10 of cups के साथ, and वो ये life, ये happy family, ये fulfillment, ये emotional fulfillment सिर्फ आपके साथ देखते हैं और आपके साथ जीना चाहते हैं. Okay, so this is the realization that this person will have the next time you meet. Let us see angels, anything else for pile number 2? We have habits, reveal, irreplaceable, damage, anything else? Spirit, anything else for pile number 2 is we have soul contract, holding back. We have pile number 2 is what else to literally say. जिस तरीके से ये कार्ड गिरा है 2 ऑफ सोर्ड्स के ऊपर, लिटरली ये कार्ड, सारे कार्ड्स इस साइड गिरे हैं विच इज शोइंग द फ्यूचर एनर्जी, एंड एक ही कार्ड डेक में से मैंने आपके सामने शफल किया, वो इसके ऊपर गिरा है विद ऑन द 2 ऑफ सोर्ड्स एंड द कार्ड, आप लिटरली खुद देखिए व्हाट इज दिस कार्ड, थर्ड पार्टी। मैंने अभी आपको ये कार्ड आने से पहले ही बोला देयर इज सम आउटसाइड थर्ड पार्टी इंटरफेरेंस, और 2 ऑफ सोर्ड्स को देख के ही बोला दिस इज हाउ द यूनिवर्स वर्क्स एंड दिस इज हाउ यू नो दैट दिस इज योर रीडिंग. There were other things that got in the way of us being together. This person is really feeling this, and this is exactly the third party energy with the 3 of cups, that there were this other things that got in the way. And with the habits we have the soul contract, damage, reveal. I don't know if I will if it will ever change. We are both hurting from this, so I definitely feel that इस person को बहुत strong realization होगा, 6 of swords, that you know the past or some other person's energy or interference is happening in this connection. Okay, let's ask angels. Angels, what will happen with this third party? Okay, this person is moving on from their past. It is difficult, but I think this person is moving on from their past. 5 of cups, 8 of swords. Somehow this person feels really stuck in some situation. Okay, जैसे कि कहीं ना कहीं इस पर्सन को ये पता है that you know you are not the source of the problem, but ये जो interference है, maybe this person is exiting some relationship to be with you, something like this, या कुछ third party external negative energies हो सकती हैं which is again and again and again creating problems आप दोनों के connection में. And with the 8 of swords this person feels really stuck. तभी chariot की energy है कि कुछ ऐसा इस person को realize होगा कि जिसके वजह से you know this person will literally you know let the third party negativity go, and उसके बाद this person will come towards you. But this person, इसीलिए transformation का message है. Angel यूं ही ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का मैसेज नहीं देते, बिकॉज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दिस रिलेशनशिप टू वर्क आउट. और वो कैसे होगा? टू एक्सेप्टेंस, राइट? डैमेज, दिस पर्सन इज फीलिंग दैट यू नो he or she is hurting you with this energies, with this chaos that is happening, and it is really heartbreaking for this person, because I feel this person does not wants to let you go, it wants to fight for this connection, for this love. We have soul contract. The lessons I learned from us will never be forgotten. So with the soul contract and with the irreplaceable, definitely आपका इस person से बहुत strong karmic soul contract है. It's like आप दोनों का destined था एक दूसरे से मिलना, destined है आगे जो भी process होगी वो होना, and it is like this was your soul, you know, your souls were meant to meet like this in this lifetime. It was just meant to happen. कोई चीज़ इसको रोक नहीं सकती. This is your soul contract, that both of you have agreed to meet each other at this specific time, to complete each other, to love each other, to you know heal, and to be the catalyst की जिससे ये सब चीजें heal हो सके. Right? We have irreplaceable. The way you love can never be matched. So this person is actually realizing and reveal. I want to tell you the truth. This person could have been hiding something from you. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, and this person is not very happy about it. So with the 7 of swords, some third party, some negative interference has happened, and could be कि ये person उस cycle में, उस situation में stuck हो गए हैं, and this person is you know really feeling sad about this. Angels, what this person wants to reveal. What this person wants to reveal. Justice. Karmic soul contract. This person wants to tell you the truth. Third party के ऊपर justice आया है. Could be this person is you know legally separating, ठीक है, with the third party and the justice, legally getting separated from something, coming towards you, something like this. but मुझे ऐसा लगता है this person wants to tell you the truth, and यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा कार्मिक चीज़ें मुझे यहाँ पे नज़र आ रही है. there is a lot of karmic layers in your love connection. I feel this person wants to really speak the truth to you. अगर इन्होंने कुछ भी आपसे छिपाया है या कुछ भी आपको नहीं बोला है, और वाइस वर्सा, इवन आपने कुछ छुपाया होगा इस इंसान से, इस पर्सन ने कुछ छुपाया है, spirit is telling you that you have to be truthful to each other, because anyways it's going to come out, because this relationship is very important, reveal and irreplaceable. इस person को ये realize हो रहा है that you are the one and this person cannot replace you. This person just wants to be with you. And with the Magician and the Chariot and the Ten of Cups, I see a beautiful future that this person will try everything, and I feel जो obstacle दोनों के बीच में आ रहा है, that will be that you will be able to overcome that obstacle. And Magician, Chariot, Ten of Cups, this is by magic, by manifestation, by miracle, both of you will be together. I feel a very strong energy that the outcome is very positive. But for this to happen, मुझे justice और third party से बहुत strong ऐसा लग रहा है that karmically or legally some things needs to let go off. And जब वो चीजें release होंगी, when those things will go out, because there is someone who is not wanting this connection to happen. और वो जो negative चीज है वो इस person को बहुत stuck रख रही है, आपको stuck रख रही है. This could be your situation as well, right? So ये मैसेज है आपके लिए that let go of that negativity, don't get stuck, overcome this, accept the situation, transform. and chariot के साथ आपको बहुत strong steps लेने हैं towards this person with the chariot energy. You can't just simply sit and just wait for things to dissolve. Chariot and the Magician is like, I am going to take strong steps toward this person. I am going to reach out, I am going to reveal, I am going to express my love and be with this person. Very strong energy आ रही है इस pile से, of determination, of just wanting to be together. Okay, Pythos. So let us see what will happen the next time you meet, or what are the messages. Okay, what are the messages? What does this person wants to tell you? मैंने आपको यही बोला. File number 2 is that I want you here next to me. This person is really feeling that this person wants to be with you. Yeah, why you so mean? Okay, so कहीं ना कहीं पे I feel like there are some misunderstandings and some negativity that is happening right now in this connection, some issues, and I think somebody is holding back in this connection. Okay, I still have your pictures on my phone, so this person is actually revisiting the moments, the memories जो आप लोगों ने साथ में spend की है. And we also have ये एक message आ रहा है, your spirit baby is watching, waiting for birth into your family. So there is a strong message that इस person से could be a very strong possibility with the Ten of Cups, that with this love आपकी आगे destiny हो, and there is a baby is waiting to be reborn from both of your love. This could be a very strong possibility, right? And we have, I really haven't been happy without you, I stalk you, I could never forget about you. So देख रहे हैं आप इस तरीके की energies ये person आपको बोलना चाहते हैं that they are not happy with without you. वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला, and I could never forget about you. So this person is really rethinking everything, and ये card ना usually आता नहीं, because this is a separate card in the deck. So this could be a very strong possibility. Point number 2 is that both of you are meant to be together, और आप दोनों की union से a very spiritual baby is about to come. And इसीलिए the message is your spirit baby is watching, waiting for birth into your family. And that's why this is a very layered reading. I feel this is not a simple reading. This has lot of layers. Let's see one final message for what will happen when you next meet. So these whole things you will experience. We have the Three of Cups. Spirit, what is the Three of Cups? The Devil. There is some third party energy, very, very strongly in this connection. बार-बार Page of Cups. बार-बार मुझे वही feel हो रहा है that there is some interference of third party with the Five of Pentacles that is not allowing this connection to flourish. Okay, so you need to get rid of the third party energy, pile number 2s, or this person needs to get rid of that, or both of you. I don't know आपकी जो भी situation है, but there is some energy of third party that needs to go. Let's ask Spirit, finally, what will happen of this third party energy? देखो मैंने बताया there is so much negativity. Somebody does not want you to be happy with this person. Five of Pentacles, second time आया है, Devil. File number two. Um, you need to end your karmic battles before coming in union with this person, okay? Because I think then कहीं ना कहीं पे you need to let that all go. तभी आपके लिए message आ रहा है, transformation, chariot, magician, manifesting this union with this person, choosing this person. This person wants to tell you that, you know, they are your everything. You are their everything. There is this bond between both of you. My heart belongs to you. But ये जो थर्ड नेगेटिव डेविल एनर्जी है, इसका हटना इस रिलेशनशिप से बहुत जरूरी है, so that a new beginning could happen and misunderstandings could get cleared in your relationship, which will happen the next time you meet. By the way, pile number 2, वही messages हम यहाँ पर channel कर रहे हैं. Right. So pile number 2, this is everything that I'm having for you. Thank you so very much for connecting. Definitely इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, मुझे जरूर बताइए वीडियो आपसे किस प्रकार रेजोनेट हो रही है. एंड इफ यू वांट एनी पर्सनल रीडिंग, गाइडेंस, हीलिंग सेशन, एनी क्लैरिटी ऑन योर सिचुएशन, तो उसके सारी डिटेल्स जो है मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हैं, आप वहां पर जाके मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. गॉड ब्लेस यू. टेक केयर. बाय. हेलो पाइल नंबर 3, वेलकम टू योर रीडिंग. अगर आपने पाइल नंबर 3 सेलेक्ट किया है विद दिस कार्ड, देन दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर रीडिंग कि व्हाट विल हैपन द नेक्स्ट टाइम यू मीट विद योर पर्सन. ठीक है. सो आपने ये बहुत पावरफुल कार्ड सेलेक्ट किए हैं, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट दैट यूनिवर्स वांट्स यू टू नो अबाउट योर पर्सन. लेट अस सी. So this is the card that you selected, and the message is power. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say or to walk away anytime. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस relationship में some things have happened which are not correct, which were toxic, and the message from universe is that आपको कहीं ना कहीं अपने अंदर intuitively पता है कि क्या चीज़ें आप relationship में accept करेंगे और क्या चीज़ें आप accept नहीं करेंगे. Right. The next card that we have is this beautiful image with the message deep in your heart. You already know the answer. Do what feels right. I feel you are in this energy जहाँ पर you are very शांत. Pile number 3, you're very relaxed, and somewhere you're very divinely intuitively connected, because I feel that you deep down know कि आपके हित में क्या है, आपको क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. I find you in this very peaceful, शांत, relaxed, calm energy. Even if some things are not going correct, तो आपको ये पता है कि आपको उनसे कैसे डील करना है, how to make it right, or when to say no, when to put boundaries, and when to walk away. So you are in a very powerful place right now, by number 3. And next we have the past is now behind you. Release it and embrace new possibilities. A new path is now available to you. Follow it with faith. So I definitely get a strong energy in your love life. जो भी पास्ट सिचुएशन है, इवन विद दिस पर्सन, वट एवर हैपेंड, आई थिंक दैट यू आर विलिंग टू लेट द पास्ट गो, यू आर विलिंग टू लेट द नेगेटिविटी गो, एंड यू आर विलिंग टू सी थिंग्स फ्रॉम अ फ्रेश परस्पेक्टिव, बिकॉज आई डू फील दैट सम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हैज रिसेंटली हैपेंड इन दिस कनेक्शन, और आपके अंदर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रियलाइजेशन और अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई है. पहले आप कुछ चीज़ें क्लियरली नहीं देख पा रहे थे, बट अभी यू आर एबल टू सी एवरीथिंग वेरी क्लियरली, चाहे वो डार्क हो या चाहे वो लाइट हो, चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो चाहे वो positive हो, you're able to see everything clearly, right? Let us see what will happen the next time you meet the person on your mind. So many cards. We have Ace of Swords, Four of Wands, back of the deck energy. You could be connecting to pile number 2 as well. We have the Magician, we have the Star. I love this for you. Letting the past go, negativity jari. The next time that you meet this person, you're going to be in your power, and this is going to happen in divine timing. Okay, we have the Ace of Cups. Your heart is going to open. This person is going to really shower his love on you, and you're going to feel कि आप लोग finally you're meeting on the same page, and there is opening and reawakening of the heart, because इस person के साथ हो सकता है you've experienced some negativity, some toxicity, but is that energy where I feel pile number 3 you're handling it so beautifully कि आप सारी negativity को भी love में transform कर रही हो. Okay, this is my very beautiful divine pile. Next we have is the Eight of Cups. You're letting the past go. Literally मैंने बोला कि the past is now behind you. The King of Swords, the World, and we have the Strength. Your person is also letting the past go. Your person is also letting the past go. Could be a past relationship, past something. I feel like, some negativity is being released, because I feel your person is also realizing that, you're not here to settle for low things. आपके person भी ये चीज़ आपके बारे में realize कर रहे हैं. The next time that you meet is that you're very clear and you want to release everything that is negative. You are happy and satisfied on your own. तो आपके person, the next time that you meet, they are going to see you in a very strong light. And I also feel that your person is also learning a lot about themselves and about boundaries and about, knowing the truth, making a strong decision. I feel the next time you both meet, both of you will be in a very strong place. ठीक है, आपके person भी एक बहुत strong place में मुझे नजर आ रहे हैं, जहाँ पर they have also completed a cycle, they have also completed a painful cycle, and both of you have learned from these experiences that have happened. दोनों के बीच में जो भी ups and downs हुए हैं, both of you have learned from those experiences with the world and the strength. These both are very powerful energies, and as a result, देखो कितने major arcana cards है आपके reading में. Magician, Star, World and Strength. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major arcana cards आपके reading में, and back of the deck we have the 4 of Wands. I think deep down both of you are very sure of each other. This is a soulmate divine connection. But कहीं ना कहीं पे there have happened some things जिनको आपको let go करना जरूरी है. इस person को आपको forgive करना जरूरी है. And I feel that forgiveness, that healing will happen in this connection. Magician, the Star and the Ace of Cups. This is so beautiful, pile number 3s. I feel like this is going to be a, reconciliation, a love, opening of the heart, and it will feel like a blessing for you, because I feel there is going to be so much magic surrounding this connection. Okay, and let us see more going more deeply. Let us tune into what will happen the next time you meet. So we have confusion. I feel unclear about where we stand. We have regret. We have secrets. I haven't told you everything. And then we have disagreements. I wish you understood how I feel. And we have I don't want to run anymore. And then we also have unexpected outcome. Things didn't go the way I planned. So this person is also, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, this person is actually realizing, I think, some toxicity, some disagreements, something happened in this connection. I think किसी ने किसी से पूरी सच्चाई नहीं बताई किसी को. There was something that was being hidden. Some secrets were being, some secrets were not being shared in this connection. Some secrets, I haven't told you everything. कुछ ऐसी secrets, कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं that this person could have been hiding from you. You could have been hiding from them, and जिसकी वजह से, there have been a lot of disagreements. And I think there is this energy where I think your person just runs away from the situation, or like जब चीजें उनके हिसाब से नहीं होती है तो they decide to disconnect, they decide to detach, they decide to run away. But I feel that is how, you're teaching this person a big lesson, pile number 3 is, because I feel with the World and the Strength and the King of Swords, जैसे मैंने बताया कि आपके person भी दुखी है, but they are seeing things in a very different light, and probably, they are not yet clear. But one thing is for sure, that they are in regret. या जो भी हुआ है, this could represent the past energy for both of you. Okay, Spirit, please clear what this person's feelings are. I think ये इंसान तरस रहे हैं आपसे मिलने के लिए. Okay, I definitely feel you're perfect for me. Back to the deck we have I want to marry you one day. So this person is acting like they are strong, but deep down they are not strong. Okay, you're perfect for me. I'm secretly obsessed with you. मैंने बताया ये person ना बता नहीं रहे हैं that how much they feel for you, how much they want you, how much they are willing to, fall in love with you. But you are also standing very strong in your light, like your divine feminine power, right? So the next time that you meet, I stalk you. This person is very possessive and protective of you as well. I've been dreaming of you. This person cannot let you go, trust me, and all I really want is to see you again. So दिस इज द मैजिशियन एनर्जी कि जब आप मिलेंगे ना तो ये जो थोड़ी बहुत भी अनबन हो रही है, नेगेटिविटी हो रही है, डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, लवर्स कार्ड देख रही हूँ मैं, एवरीथिंग विल गेट डिसॉल्व बिकॉज आई सी वट एवर दिस एनर्जी वॉज ऑफ डिसएग्रीमेंट्स, ऑफ रनिंग अवे एंड नॉट कन्फ्रंटिंग ईच अदर विद द ट्रूथ, हाइडिंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम ईच अदर, हाइडिंग ट्रू फीलिंग्स, ये सारी चीजें ना धुल जाएंगी एंड आई फील बोथ ऑफ यू आर वॉकिंग अवे फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ दिस एंड ये इसलिए हो रहा है पाइलम थ्रीज बिकॉज यू आर इन योर डिवाइन एनर्जी, you are in your powerful energy, you are strong, okay, and that is why these changes are happening in this connection. Let us see if there's anything else for pile number 3. What will happen? Empress, मैंने बताया this person adores you like anything. They love you, pile number 3. They love you. You have the Empress, वो definitely बताएंगे. हो सकता है वो थोड़ा logically बात कर रहे हो. They are not very much tuning into their heart center because of that negativity. But the moment you meet them, I feel like you will activate their heart center. And तब मुझे लगता है ये सारी conflicts और सारी चीजें resolve हो जाएंगी. This person is secretly obsessed with you, with the Empress. They see you in such a highlight, pile number 3. Like they really adore you, sexually feel so much for you. They are secretly obsessed with you. They dream about you, they want you, they stalk you, they are protective of you. You're perfect for me. This person is saying that you are the perfect version of everything that they have ever wanted. They see your light and even your spiritual strength. All they want is to see you again. They are really missing you. जैसे मैंने बताया आपकी शांत एनर्जी, काम एनर्जी इस पर्सन को बहुत उथल पुथल में डाल रही है और उस उथल पुथल के बाद इस पर्सन को भी रियलाइज होगा हाउ स्ट्रॉन्ग यू आर एंड दिस पर्सन नीड्स टू कम इन द स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंड्रीज विथ यू. ओके, let us see final number 3 के लिए how will that person's energy be when they meet. Okay, how will the person's energy be when they meet? We have the Knight of Cups. Yes, you're melting this person's heart. Okay, we have the lovers. Literally, pile number 3s. This is all that I was feeling. ये जो भी उनकी अकड़ है या जो भी logical thinking है ना, this will completely melt the moment they see you because deep down तो वो ये सब चीजें feel कर रहे हैं. This is the defense mechanism of this person because they are away from you और वो admit नहीं करना चाहते हैं how much they really love you, how much they want you, how much they are obsessed with you, how much they are protective of you, how much they are possessive of you, how much they really just want you. They can't get their hands away from you. This is the strong energy. And इसीलिए कभी कभी ना हम उस इंसान से झगड़ते हैं, लड़ते हैं क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि हमें दूरी नहीं चाहिए, हमें चाहिए होता है वो पर्सन बस हमें आए हमारे पास और हमें समझे. And this person, you will melt this person's heart the moment you meet this person the next time. And आपकी मीटिंग भी बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड, बहुत डिवाइनली अलाइंड और बहुत ब्यूटिफुल होने वाली है because there is going to be so much love, so much union and I feel commitment energy मुझे दिख रही है pile number 3 आप लोगों के लिए with the Hierophant, lovers and Knight of Cups because I feel this person secretly wants to marry you. Okay, I want to marry you one day. So कहीं ना कहीं पे this person is dreaming about that vision या उनकी higher self is taking them towards that energy where this person is dreaming about you. But I feel with the secrets, the Magician again, with the secret somehow there needs to be an honest conversation because मुझे ऐसा लगता है that there are some things जैसे both of you have not been really honest with each other about that. We have the Strength and 6 of Cups. I feel this person really misses you but वो कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, controlling their love, controlling their passion, controlling their aggression for you. But deep down this person really loves you, they want only you, they have eyes for only you and I'm sensing a strong message that you are somebody. जैसे इस कार्ड में भी हम देख सकते हैं that इस पर्सन की आंखें बंद है बट ये जो फीमेल है, दिस फीमेल कैन सी दिस पर्सन completely. Nothing can be hidden from her and this is the Empress energy and the Strength. You're such a strong soul और आप इन सब चीज़ों से इतना ऊपर उठ चुके हो pile number 3 that ये person बहुत strong realize करेंगे कि आपके जैसा कोई है ही नहीं उनके life में and all they want is you, all they want is you, literally you. And this person is having a lot of realizations about you. Okay, let us see one last card कि क्या confession है इस इंसान का आपके लिए. देखा आपने किस तरह से कार्ड्स बाहर आ रहे हैं. डिवाइन गाइडेंस, बैक ऑफ द डेक एनर्जी, वी हैव हीलिंग, वी हैव यू आर माइन. मैंने बताया ना ये पर्सन इज इन दिस एनर्जी वेयर दे वांट टू क्लेम यू, दे वांट टू जस्ट कम यू आर माइन. इस पर्सन के अंदर ये घोषणा हो जाएगी यू आर माइन, यू आर माई एवरीथिंग. द मैसेज इज देयर इज नो वन एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड हु कुड एवर रिप्लेस यू. अभी मैंने आपको क्या बोला विद द एम्प्रेस विद द स्ट्रेंथ. लिटरली देयर इज नो वन एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड हु कुड एवर रिप्लेस यू. वी वर मेड टू बी टुगेदर. We are destined and I am yours and you are mine only. We have done this before and we will do it again. This person is having that realization. They're cutting their past ties and coming towards you. Karmic battles. You could be resonating with pile number 2 as well. Please be patient with my process of growth and change as I come into my power. ये इंसान आपको ये बोलना चाहता है. I am making sure that everything is in alignment so that I can be with you. ये इंसान अपनी karmic battles खत्म करके आपके पास आना चाहते हैं. Okay, pile number 3. I am serving. Yeah, I am severing my ties with the karmic situations and completing a cycle. Literally, मैंने बोला the next time that you meet, this person will have also learned a lot and they have been letting and they will let their past completely go. They will walk away from this toxicity, negativity, whatever it is. They will learn the spiritual lesson and they will know that you are everything. वो आपसे दूर हो ही नहीं सकते and they are willing to come towards you. They are willing to come in the union with the lovers, the Knight of Cups. All they want, all they dream, all they seek, all day long, pile number 3 is of you, is for you, is to you. Okay. The next card that we have is healing. I am healing pain from my past. मैंने जैसे आपको बताया, I'm working on letting it go because this person is deeply hurt in the past, so that I can be free to fully love you. Your love gives me hope. As I am healing my past and childhood trauma, I just want you to send me love and healing energy. And that is exactly what you are doing because you're understanding this person. You are this person's spiritual guide, pile number 3. And the last card that we have is love underneath. You are perfect to me. This person sees you as the wife material or the husband material, but I really feel this person is having a lot of realizations because उनको ये realize हो रहा है that यू होल्ड सो मच वैल्यू, बट उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं आपको मिसट्रीट किया है, उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं आपकी वैल्यू नहीं की है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच यू फील रियली हर्ट एंड ब्रोकन, राइट? सो विद दिस लव एनर्जी आई वॉन्ट टू मेक लव टू यू विच यू हैव नेवर एक्सपीरियंस्ड बिफोर. दिस पर्सन वॉन्ट्स टू डीपली लव यू. आई वॉन्ट इंटिमेसी इन एवरी वे पॉसिबल विथ यू. जैसे मैंने बताया आपको अभी, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट अस टू नो ईच अदर लाइक नो वन एल्स बिफोर us has ever known. वो इस गहराई में आप में डूबना चाहते हैं. Your touch and your voice really healed me. Right. Beautiful messages for my pile number 3. This is everything. Such a beautiful reading that I am having for you today. Thank you so very much. Don't forget to claim this reading in the comment section below. I am sending you all lots of love and lots of light. Take care. Bye.